Here's the recipe for my chocolate chip banana peanut butter cake, which I had loads of requests for, and it's a simple one. So let's get baking. Start with 250 grams of softened unsalted butter. I'm adding 300 grams of just plain caster sugar. Whisk this for 2 minutes to make it nice and creamy. Now it's time to add the rest of the ingredients. Add 100 grams of smooth peanut butter, 100 grams of natural yogurt, 1 teaspoon of bicarb of soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 350 grams of self-raising flour, and I'm going to break in 3 large eggs into this. And the last bit is 3 ripe-ish bananas. Now we'll combine all of this together and whisk for, few seconds, 30 seconds. And the last bit to go in is 100 grams of chocolate chips. Now I'm going to fold this in, and I've got a 10-inch round cake tin ready, greased and lined. You can use any size you like, but the baking time will vary accordingly. And I'm going to put this mixture into the cake tin. And we're just going to smoothen the top out so it bakes evenly, and it's going to go in the oven at 180°C for roughly 45 minutes. But I'm going to check and see if it's baked then. The cake is going to take another 20 minutes, and I'll prepare the ganache till then. I've got 150 grams of dark chocolate, and I've got 300 ml of double cream. I've just brought it to a boil, and I'm going to pour over our lovely chocolate. And that is a lovely smooth chocolate mess to go on the cake. Beautiful. We're going to leave this aside to set slightly, and I'm going to check on the cake now. The cake took a total of an hour, 7 minutes. Let it cool, and I'm going to come back to this in a couple of hours. Cake has cooled down completely, and I have got my ganache. Now I didn't leave the ganache in the fridge to set, so it's not very set. I don't want that. I want it still a bit flowy, and I'm going to pour all of it on top of the cake. What's not to like? There's peanut butter, banana, chocolate, and topped with more chocolate. And as always, I have to taste it just so you are getting the good recipes. That is why I didn't want the ganache to set, because it's flowy, it's smooth, and it's just going to cover the cake as you take the slice out. God, that looks insane. And it is the happiest time of the day to try these cakes, which obviously we've made for you. Look at that. It is so soft. Wow. That's so good. It's got everything. You know what it's got. So it's got everything you want, and it's absolutely delicious. And if you've got some slices left, it will keep for a few days. Not 10, but 3-4 days. So please do give this a go. Give us a thumbs up if you like the recipe. Come back next week for a brand new recipe, and I will see you then. And I'm going to get the kettle on now.